This is not good.
I'm about a mile from the house. So let me just go pick up the stuff and then head your
It's
way.
not clear
Look to see
anything.
what you find out. I'm down here just on quarter of a mile from my road, which
You
is
did
about
not
another
clear
mile and a half to get there. But the roads are covered with snow, packed snow right now. Yeah, so it's covered. So it'll probably be better for me to run the stuff over there. But try to figure out where the water leak, because it could be the wash machine's got a leak, or the water hose is bad. You know,
It's covered by snow. Oh God! We did not
Valves.
clear this road. Maybe this is all the way to our house.
Yeah. Open up the line and see what you see. If it's a water hose,
All snow covered.
but
road
don't
was
leave. I'll
covered.
come get you
Snow
paid.
still.
So
Uh-oh. Yeah.
or why ain't is the heater not working? Yeah. Well, I said they probably had the oven open and running and that, so that was the right thing too. Well, they need to just turn the temperature gauge up on the furnace. Yeah. Okay. My road has a path on it. And I'm on it right now. I'm about a mile from the house. So, yeah, if you said something earlier, I've been there. But just turn on a faucet and see where the water starts leaking. Just turn it on barely and see what you see on each one of them. And then call me. I got the wife and kid. I'll drop them off and gather up tools and that. Be ready to go as soon as you call me back. Okay, bye.
Oh, all road is not cleared yet.
See, I slid there.
Huh?
I locked my tires up and I slid.
Oh really? Oh, it's not scary. So I can't drive this yet.
Nah, probably not, because you wouldn't anticipate not knowing. See that guy stopping way back there to make sure he gets stopped.
They all covered. Oh, it's on the way to our house. It's still covered with snow.
This is how we drove in Ohio all the time, though. Now, this is typical.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So you are the one who mowing it out, blow the snow?
No, just drove in the road.
Do we can blow our snow there? It's a little clear here,
It ain't gonna blow. You have to shovel it.
so I can shovel it.
Shovel it. You got a shovel there.
Where is our shovel? That's very dangerous here. That's why I don't like snow. Because after the snow, it's too cold. You think still the school is still on?
I think it will be.
It's turning very slow. This is our place, guys. Covered with snow still. Nobody hardly drive that area there. Maybe they did not go out yet. How about this area? Nothing too much.
Back down.
That's
Our
only
driver
few.
is gonna be fixed.
Our driveway. Oh gosh. Uh-oh. It's full, ma. Oh, be careful, Daddy.
It's fine.
You're too close on the
It's full of
Full.
snow.
Full of snow.
You sure we going to school tomorrow then?
No, you may be out tomorrow because the roads are still bad.
And are you sure we're out